In addition to that, for the information of the public, yun namang Paxilica, it is a chance in a lifetime. At yung tinatakot natin na 60 million liters ang kailangan sa isang araw, kung i-combine mo yung discharge ng all Zambales rivers into the ocean every second is equivalent to that 60 million liters. That's only equivalent to 60,000 cubic meters, which is one Panamax. Parang itong building na ito. Yan lang ang per second na lumalabas sa lahat ng ilog ng Zambales. Kaya huwag matakot yung ating publiko dito sa Paxilica. Just a small information. Kasi water is my 40 and 60 million liters is only 60,000 cubic meters. That is only one Panamax. Maliit po yung 60 million liters compared to all the rivers in Zambales discharging to the ocean. That's only 1 second. Ganun po. Kaya huwag matakot yung ating public dyan sa Paxilica. This is a chance in a lifetime. We must get this. Thank you.
Mr.